Okay, this is a disclaimer. I do not have cute feet, but they look good when they done though. And these press-on toenails got me feeling like somebody need to be paying to see these feet on, you know, that website I'm talking about. And these feet gotta be sacrificed because I needs the cash. And I'm for sure not showing no ass. I'm just playing, y'all. Don't mind me, okay? Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video, and as you can see, I am about to apply my very first set of press-on toenails. So let's do it. Now, I know y'all probably thinking she going too far with the press-ons now, but if you've seen any of my Temu hauls or any of my other haul videos, you know I have been dying to try out some press-on toenails, so let's get into it. So I am just using my e-file to shave the shiny surface from my natural toenails so that the press-on toenail adheres better with the glue to my natural toenails. As you know, or if you don't know, this helps the glue stick better when you have a rougher surface versus a shiny surface on your toenails or your fingernails when you're applying press-ons. And I'm just using an alcohol pad to further dehydrate my toenails and to remove any remaining grease and oils from my toenail bed. I am using this nail glue from Temu, and if you know, you know. If you missed the tutorial or with the nails that I have on in this video, check it out because this nail glue is the truth, okay? I've had these Temu press-on nails on for 8 days and they are still going strong. Only one nail came off after 8 days, so that says a lot. But let's get back into the tutorial. So I'm applying that Temu nail glue all over my nail bed, making sure I apply it from side wall to side wall and have a nice bubble of glue so that the toenail will stick really well. And I'm lining up that press-on toenail up with my cuticle of my big toe, and I'm gonna press and hold for 30 seconds. And boom, the toenail is on, and you can't tell me this ain't my natural toenail. The big toe is giving already, like, and the design on the toenail with the chocolate dripping is just so cute. So also, if you're viewing this video and you have not downloaded the Temu app, click the link in the description of this video and download the Temu app, and make sure you use my discount code FAVE23582 so that you can get a $100 coupon and save on your order. Temu is literally one of my favorite apps right now. I have placed so many orders with Temu and I've been happy every single time. They have free shipping, they have free returns up to 90 days if you need to return something, and their prices are just unbeatable. And also shout out to Temu for sponsoring this video. I picked out a bunch of super cool stuff and Temu shipped it over to me, so thank you Temu. And these press-on toenails were included in my last Temu haul video, so if you missed that video, go check it out. And the nail art palette that you see in this video is also from Temu, and it will also be linked in the description of this video, and so will this Temu nail glue. So let's jump back into this tutorial. So now I am on the second to the last toe and I am just applying that nail glue. I'm not applying too much because my toenails on my last two toes are really small. So I'm literally just putting like a dot of nail glue and just spreading it all over my natural toenail. And I'm using a tweezer because the toenails are so small. And If I use my fingers, I won't be able to see what I'm doing, so I'm just using the tweezer to place the toenail onto my toe and then also press down on my toenail so that it stays in place. And then I'm pressing down with my finger for 30 seconds. And boom, the toenail is on. And now we are on our last toe, that little pinky toe. I have a really small pinky toenail, so I'm just making sure that I'm applying enough glue but not too much because I don't want it to spill over. And then I just lined up the press-on toenail up and pressed down. And I did use my tweezer to apply my pinky toe as well, and I'm just using the tweezer just like I did with my other toe to press down and make sure the toenail is in place and exactly where I want it. And then I'm just gonna press and hold for 30 seconds. And boom, all the toenails are on. I know my feet is looking crusty right now, but that's why we gotta apply our Blossom Cuticle Oil. I got it from Five Below. I'm running out, so it's definitely time for me to go get another one. I know I keep saying that, but I haven't went yet. But I'm just gonna apply that cuticle oil all around my cuticles to make sure they're nice and moisturized. And then I'm just gonna rub it into my toes as well because they ashy. I'm also going to moisturize my feet with some lotion as well because we can't be having no bomb toenails with ashy feet. And this is pretty much how they look completed. I did not have to do any filing on these toenails since it had chocolate dripping from the tips of the toenails. I did not file the top to kind of sharpen them a little bit. I just kind of left the toenails as is, and honestly that's all I really needed to do. And let me just talk about these press-on toenails for a second because they're very durable. They're not thin, they're not super thick either. As you can see, they're super easy to apply. The process was very smooth. I have no complaints. Temu has done it again, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated with how long these press-on toenails last, which I'm sure they'll definitely last because I use that good Temu nail glue. And as you guys can see, I slid on me some toe rings, which I got these toe rings from Temu as well. And it was a 4-pack of toenails for only 99 cents. And I will link these toe rings in the description of this video as well. And shout out to my girl Winter Fresh because this video was highly requested. She got tired of seeing me buying all these toenails and not doing a video. So here you go, boo. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved doing it. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.